morning, Puppy Pandas, and this is Ryan.
And this is Mr. Larson.
Today is National Clean Up Your Room Day. Can you believe there's a day for cleaning your room?
That's crazy, right? Well, no one knows who created a holiday like that, but it's probably celebrated in May because so many people do something called spring cleaning.
Spring cleaning actually means cleaning your entire house from room to room and top to bottom. But you can help in this process by just doing your room.
Yeah, I kind of need to do that in my own room. I know in my bedroom I've got a couple of shirts hanging on the backs of chairs, so those have to be put away. How about you, Ryan? Do you have anything you need to do in your room?
Yeah, I have some stuff to clean up. My room's a little messy, and I'll try and clean it up over the weekend.
Yeah, a good way to get started on big projects like that is to make a little list of the things that need to be done, and then you can start checking them off.
Some of the things you could be on your list is is checking under your beds, removing clutter from closets and drawers, and donating clothes and toys you don't need anymore.
Yeah, that kind of stuff takes a little bit of time, but once it's done, it sure feels good.
Even if you're just doing a little bit of cleaning, that will make your whole house look nicer.
Now, here's a mindful moment from Ms. Bethke.
Hello. Welcome to Mind Yeti. Gratitude is noticing the good things in your life and saying thank you for those things. Just saying thank you can put you in a better mood, and it can help you settle the hubbub and feel more connected to the world around you. Today, you are going to think about having gratitude. Before we begin, take a moment to find your Yeti body. Sit comfortably with your back straight and your feet or legs resting on the floor. Feel how the floor or your chair supports you as you sit. We call this your Yeti body. Start by taking a few breaths. If you want, you can close your eyes. Now, think about something that brought you happiness this week. Maybe you had your favorite food, or heard a song you love, or had fun playing with a friend. Maybe a dog wagged his tail when he saw you. Don't worry if you're having trouble thinking of something. It can be something simple, like a joke that made you laugh. For a moment, just remember that happy thing. Notice how you feel when you think about it. Now, silently say thank you. Notice how it feels to say thank you. You can feel gratitude for big things and for little things. It's easy to forget the little things that make us feel happy every day. Like feeling the warm sun on your face. Gratitude is just as simple as remembering to notice the special things in your life and saying, Thank you. Just think about that for a moment. What do you notice about your mood? Notice if your mood feels a little different. Anytime you want to get in a better mood or settle the hubbub, slow down and try to think of something that makes you happy. Then take a moment to say, "Thank you." When you're ready, you can open your eyes and return your attention to the room.
Thanks, Miss Bethke.
Have a wonderful day, Puppy Pandas. We're signing off for the Panda News.
Now let's all stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Bye.
Bye.